should roll. Just the wheels rub on the wheel well. That very much a lot straighter. Get all together more bars. Yeah. That makes more sense. Yeah. Less like these sandies. Yeah. Two. Oh, we got a C-clamp.
Below the deck, so you just push them out to the deck. You got it.
Hold on, let me go up. Go a little more. All right. Yeah, just push right up to the. No, other way, go other way. Why? Because that's how the tire sits in the motherfucker.
You need to take out the seat.
I think I was just scared of Bob. We're gonna find out, huh? Yeah, mine's.
Okay, we will skate all the time.
Okay. We can jack it up once it's on. Yeah.
There it goes.
Yep. That's predicted.
We're on over here.
It is over there?
Yep.
Right. You want to come over here and jack it?
I gotta jack it up. Right?
Here.
I'll just tilt it up. Bad, can't you? Or down with it? And just the last one up and start it up.
Yeah, I can come up to the bed.
Yeah.
To where it's at. Just want to make sure we don't damage anything.
Yeah, we aren't gonna damage. Yeah. Just do that. Thanks, well, if anything to me, so. No, I'm gonna play this as we're in, Tom. Yep.
Ready?
Yep, yes, sir. Alright. We're running parts too as well, so.
How's the other one?
We'll double check it. Face down one. Give me a second, I'm just going to pull your skate real quick. Alright, I'm good.
Going down?
Yep, going down. Look at that. Mechanical leverage. I'm on. Yep. So you good on that, right? crap? Oh yeah. The door is still open and shut. Better than new.
This sponge was just kind of already in the car.
Oh, okay.
I used it to hold on to the hood. I also put some zip ties right here just to make it nice.
Oh, okay.
Really worried about this thing flying up.
Yeah, that's, yeah. Well,
Highway.
I don't want you to break the windshield.
Yeah, that's what I was afraid of.
Heck yeah. Run Chevy's fine. That way we're all cleared in. Good deal. All right. Oh, yeah. Runaround, huh? Yeah.
What's up, bud?
Violin.
She runs away.
I know. Stay in there. Kind of hard up to big on one mount. Well, the ratchet strap's a little bit too. Yeah. Go CRLS swap. That's car 5.3.
It's a good start.
That's that Steve Moore's blower motor there. Just gotta have a little imagination, you know what I'm saying? Oh, I wonder when I hooked that to. Oh, the brake line. Passes the strength test. This is not power brakes. So, Kyle, I got a MIG weld disc. That's what she said. Oh, so this is the trans you're talking about. Yeah. I think we should have it say Trans Am. Since everyone gives a shit about this being the Trans Marrow, this is gonna be the Trans Am. That's what we should call it, the Trans Am.
Yeah.
I thought of another name too. We could call it the Burned It. Instead of the Bandit, it's the
Oh
Burned
yeah,
It.
the Burned It. That's a good one
That's a
too.
good one too, huh?
We've already been rolling with Burn Bird.
Oh, it's the Burn Bird. They're going to call it the Firebird. No, it's the Burn Bird.
Yeah.
All right, we have it dropped. It's safe in the shop, but it is time for us to get to the racetrack with the Trans Am. Let's go.